Hello and welcome everyone. I found an exciting new way for you to make money online. It is very simple and easy to do. And it involves reviewing vehicles and posting those vehicles on YouTube. So what do you have to do? Well, first of all, you gotta pick a brand new model, such as, look at this, 2018 Honda Sports or Accord Coupe, whatever kind of a car that they just released and it is brand new. So this is one of them. This is the Honda Accord Sport that just came out. It is very recent and it's just been on the market for a few months. Look at this. The one that everybody is watching, those are the ones with many subscribers, have 1.3 million views. On the other hand, people with less views are still getting subscribers to watch it. So you don't have to be somebody with a lot of views for this to actually work. In fact, some people with not too many views and not too many people watching their channel are still getting a lot of people to watch the stuff that they are actually making, all those kind of review videos. And this one has been for a very short amount of time. This guy has 2,000 subscribers, 71,000 views to review this specific vehicle. It's a brand new vehicle, Honda Accord Sport. He has 72,000 views. His channel is making around $74 per month. This is not too much, but still it all adds up. He has 2,000 subscribers. This is a small channel and it is just starting up. So you can actually get into the niche, and this is a very simple niche of reviewing different kind of vehicles and making money in the process. Here is another small channel right here with only 9,000 subscribers, and this guy is reviewing many kinds of vehicles and making money with the commercials that are showing right at the start of the video. So that's how he gets his cash. This guy is making a whooping $793 a month reviewing car videos with only 9,000 subs to his channel. So this just shows you the potential for you to just review brand new vehicles. So how do you go about and review this? It is simple and easy to do. Some people, what they actually do is they go to different dealerships and they review their cars. So they go in there, get their cell phone or whatever kind of thing that they're doing. Look at this. This is just a video of somebody outside of the dealership. And then what you have to do is take the vehicle for a test drive, and you can just film yourself. So I recommend either you have a friend or you have a GoPro camera, put it on the dashboard or something so you can get the footage of you actually driving the car. But that's not necessary. You can just go about and review the different kind of vehicles, just going to the dealerships and taking a look at one of the vehicles on the lot itself and just filming the interior and everything else. Some of them are already opened and sometimes you have to get their permission to do this. So those are a few things that you can do. Look at this. This guy is just like viewing the vehicle itself, how much it costs and so on, and telling you about this. So this is simple and easy to do. This guy has only 1,000 subs. He's making $82 a month. Now, the way for you to be successful over here is always to look for brand new cars that just came out, 2018 models, brand new releases, and things like that. So with the Hondas, we can see the ones that just came out, the new models. There are the CR-Vs. This is brand new for 2018. And 2017, this is a little bit not too fresh. With the vehicles themselves, we have the Honda Accord Sedan. This is brand new for 2018. We also have some other vehicles such as the Civic Sedan. This is also brand new. We have other things as well here, the Civic Si Sedan. Those things just came out. And we have the Civic Si Coupe. Also brand new vehicles, just fresh on the market. Civic Hatchback. Those are fresh vehicles, and the Civic Type R, those are very hard to find. If you can do a review on this vehicle, and this vehicle sometimes we have only one in any dealership lot, you definitely will get a lot of people viewing your video because that's a very cool vehicle. In fact, let's go to Toyota.com. Toyota.com has some cool vehicles as well, and you can go through different kind of websites and you can check what new cars do they have out there. And if you know a little bit about cars, you can go and make those videos. One thing I suggest for you to do is, first of all, before you go and review the video, go ahead and study the car that you're gonna be reviewing, such as this one right here, and it has different kind of trim levels to it. So if you're gonna be reviewing this car right here, there's only 2 trim levels to the car. Memorize what features are actually coming in the XLE version and the XLE Premium. Test drive it and create a whole video about the whole experience of you being inside this vehicle. Take pictures, review the whole interior, and you want to review it as good as those guys over here are doing it. In fact, take a look at how the pictures over here are showing of those nice cars right here. There is a lot of details to this vehicle. So this car right here is right now on sale, and it just came out. It is a recent vehicle that out by Toyota for the year 2018, and people are reviewing those vehicles. Since this vehicle just came out, you will get a lot of people just reviewing it right now. Recent reviews are going to get you a lot of people viewing your specific video. So here is another review of this video. First video and the first picture of this one is not so great. Remember, if you hover over the video and you don't like what you're seeing, nobody's gonna watch that specific video. And you can do a whole niche channel based on reviewing different kind of vehicles, and you're definitely gonna get a lot of subs subscribing to you if you continue doing this every single month, if you actually can do it. But here is another guy, Family Wheels. There's only 13,000 subs for this guy, but he got subs pretty fast. And if you're reviewing videos and doing it about vehicles and so on, you definitely are going to get and fetch a lot of subs pretty quick and fast. A lot of people are going to view your videos. You can get your channel monetized and make money in the process. You can make at least $100 a month with creating different kind of review videos on a vehicle. So here is somebody just going to someone's dealer lot, and he's just walking around the vehicle and just showing you all the different features of his channel. He got 158,000 views. His channel is super slim and small, and he's making $187 a month. So it's pretty easy for you to go about and do this. You have to go and figure out what kind of car do you want to actually review. So this sums it up, and now it is your turn to do exactly that.